Quik Snack Restaurant, an episode of series, I survived a 15-hour food frenzy in the Philippines. We leave the Binge Bus behind and negotiate Binondo's narrow streets on foot. Ivan's tour within a tour served as a crash course in Philippine history and the distinctive culture of the Chinoy, Chinese Pinoy, or Filipino-Chinese. In the space of 3 hours, we managed to stop by the following places. Quik Snack, located in a nondescript alleyway off Ongpin, Quik Snack serves what Ivan calls Homestyle Chinese-Filipino cooking. As we dig into the Tokwa ni Amah Pilar, pictured above, a block of fried tofu on a bed of sweetened soy sauce, Ivan points out that Hokkien cooking had to adapt to local circumstances. Wherever the Chinese went in Southeast Asia, they brought with them their cooking styles, but at a certain point, you have to cater to the market, Ivan explained. And they found out they don't necessarily have all the ingredients here that we have in Fujian Province or Guangdong. So they used local ingredients and invented certain dishes that we think of as Chinese here, but we don't really find in Singapore, Malaysia or Fujian Province. Carvajal Street, Binondo, Manila, location on Google Maps. Telephone, +63 2242 9572.